Hey guys, so today I have a recipe here for you that's a easy sheet pan vegetable recipe. Right here I'm just chopping up some yellow onion, and then next I chopped up some green bell pepper. Set that aside, and then I decided to go ahead and chop up several red potatoes into small cube-sized pieces, roughly. And then I added that to a bowl and seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, smoked paprika, and salt. Then I give it a good stir to make sure everything's well incorporated and seasoned. And then next I added some baby carrots, and broccoli. And then I gave that a good stir again, make sure everything's well seasoned. And I poured that onto a parchment paper that I had on the sheet pan. Made sure everything was spread out so it can cook evenly. And then I placed that into an oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. And then I moved on to cutting up the turkey sausage because I'm also going to make a skillet, a sausage skillet to go on the side. So now I'm just rinsing off the sausage in the sink before I get started. And then I just went ahead and cut up the sausage into small bite-sized pieces. It's totally your preference. And I just went ahead and put that into a bowl on the side while I have my pot heating up on the stove with oil. And I went ahead and added my sausage to the pot. I'm going to let that brown for a little bit. And then I'm going to add the bell pepper and onion that I chopped up earlier. So I'll help add some good flavor. And then now I'm going to go ahead and remove the vegetable and potatoes from the oven. You just want to make sure that the potatoes are fork tender. And I think I cooked this roughly 25 minutes. And now I'm just fixing a bowl. And I hope that you enjoyed this meal as much as my family and I did.